Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Parkoo retractable gel pens. Special thanks to the Parkoo team for sending me these pens for review. As with all reviews here on my channel, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Starting off with the basics, this set of 14 pens retails for $9.99. It is available on Amazon. I'll have information in the description box for you to check out. The ink is 0.7, and they also have it to where not only can you get these assorted colors, but there's also a red, black, and blue option available where you'll get 12 black pens, 6 blue, and 2 red, again for that $9.99 price point. I am going to be doing a pen test, but as for the colors that are here, there's yellow, orange, red, pink, maroon, purple, light blue, dark blue, more of a navy blue, lime green, green, this teal, brown, and then black. Now let's go ahead and put these pens to the test. They are said to be long lasting, quick drying, drying 3 times faster for reduced smearing, high quality, and then they also have this excellent design. As for the design, it does have Parkoo 0.7 here, and then the dries 3 times faster. I like how lightweight this is. Let's go ahead and start off with the black. As with most pens, it does have this little nub on it. That's how you know it's new. All right, let's go ahead and write black. It's pretty basic. Let's do brown. I like how they feel in my hand. We'll do this teal looking color. I'm gonna call it, yeah, it's definitely like a teal. Then we have dark green, which looks very close to the teal. Then there's, I don't know why that one doesn't want to come off, lime green. We're gonna call this one navy blue. Dark blue, which is your standard blue. Then there's light blue, purple, maroon, red, pink, orange, and then last but not least, yellow. Can't really see the yellow that much, and I'm running my hand over it. So far, so good. Now I'm gonna bring in my mild liner as well as bringing in this here, this marker, and then also my Crayola Super Tip, just to see if the smearing, if there is any smearing as soon as I write it. So let's use black for example, and then put this directly over it. Okay, looks good, looks good. I'm gonna write black again and try this marker, which is the, I got this from Daiso. I'm gonna put this tip actually. Okay, no smearing. And then one more time with the black. All right, now I'm just gonna write it regularly and see if I put my hand across if it smears. and nothing. I do see a little bit of shadowing as I rub my hands over it. So there's some here, a little bit of shadowing, some over here at the points, but I mean, who's actually doing this when they start writing anyway? So far, so good. I love how lightweight these are. These are really, really nice. I'm just not a colorful pen type of girl, but I really do love how lightweight these are. I honestly don't see any cons. You're getting 14 pens for $9.99, which averages out to... So what do I think of these pens? I did review the Parkoo erasable pens before, and I like these far better than those. The design is 10 times better. It's sleek. It feels great in my hand. It's very, very lightweight. Looking at the colors that are available, they are true to what I wrote here, so that's not deceiving. They work well with all three of the markers that I frequently use when I'm highlighting, whether that's my mild liner, my Crayola Super Tip, or this one that I got from Daiso. So that all works well. Even when rubbing my hand after immediately writing, there was very minimal smudging, but again, I don't do that anyway. But it's nice to know if my hand were to brush against it, that it's not only not going to transfer onto my hand, but it's still going to be intact on the paper. The paper that I used here is just this white list pad, and just to show you the shadowing on the back, this is not thick paper at all, but there is shadowing on the back. But this right here, I just really, really do like these pens. The design is really everything for me, and I am partial to the 0.7 ink. And it's also, again, a gel pen. So for this to be a gel pen and not to have all that smearing, I really, really do like it. So thumbs up to Parkoo for these pens. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Special thanks again to the Parkoo team for sending me these planners for review. I'll have all information on how to purchase in the description box, as well as links to related videos, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.